Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to solve this word problem based on fractions. The question is, Rafiq exercised for 3/6 of an hour while Rohit exercised 3/4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? So here we have been given two fractions. One is 3/6 of an hour and the other one is 3/4 of an hour. We can solve this question by two methods. The first method is to convert these two fractions having the same denominator. So we have Rafiq who is exercising 3/6 of an hour, and we have Rohit who is exercising 3/4 of an hour. To make the denominators of the two fractions same, we can find the LCM of the denominators, that is 6 and 4, or we can just multiply one fraction with the denominator of the other. We can multiply this 6 by 4, so we'll have the denominator equal to 24, and here 4 is the denominator, so we are going to multiply this denominator by 6, so 4 times 6 is 24. So let's multiply this denominator by 4. As we are multiplying the denominator by 4, we have to multiply the numerator 2 by 4. So 3 times 4 is 12 and 6 times 4 is 24. For the second fraction, we are going to multiply it by 6. 3 times 6 and 4 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18 and 4 times 6 is 24. Now we can compare the two fractions. We can easily see that 18 by 24 is greater than 12 by 24. So Rohit exercised more than Rafiq. This was one method to find the answer to this question. Another method is more simpler and is a shortcut method. Here we can find the 3/6 and 3/4 of an hour. So Rafiq exercised 3/6 of an hour. And we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we can find out the time in minutes. So 3/6 of 60 minutes, which equals 3 upon 6. That is 3/6 times 60. And 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 10 is 60. So that's going to be 30 minutes. Similarly, we can find 3/4 of an hour for which Rohit exercised. That's going to be 3/4 of 60 minutes. Which equals 3/4 of 60 . We can cancel out 4 and 60. 4 times 1 is 4. We are left with 2. This becomes 20. 4 times 5 is 20. So that's going to be 3 times 15, which is equal to 45 minutes. So here we can see that Rohit exercised for 45 minutes while Rafiq exercised for 30 minutes. So Rohit exercised more than Rafiq. So our final answer will be Rohit exercised more than Rafiq. This is our final answer. So this is how we can solve these kind of problems. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.